In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shared documents in Dropbox. This is a quick process and will have you navigating shared files confidently in no time. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open Dropbox and locate the shared folder where your document is stored. If you're new to Dropbox, no worries. The platform's interface is quite intuitive. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a navigation panel. Look for the section labeled Shared and click on it. This will show you all the folders and files that have been shared with you or that you've shared with others. Once you've found the right folder, click to open it. Now, within the shared folder, pick the specific file you need to edit. You can do this simply by clicking on the file's name. Once you click it, the file will usually open in a preview mode. This gives you a glimpse of its contents before you commit to editing. Before you start making changes, it's crucial to ensure you have the right permissions. In Dropbox, you need Can Edit permissions to make modifications to a document. If you're unsure whether you have this access, you can check this by observing the sharing settings associated with the file. If you're unable to edit, you might need to reach out to the file's owner and ask them to grant you editing permission. Next, you have a few options for how to edit the document directly in Dropbox. Depending on the file format, you might be able to edit it using Dropbox Paper, Office Online, or Google Docs. Each of these tools offers robust features for document editing, so choose the one that best suits your needs. If you're working with a text document, Dropbox Paper or Google Docs might be ideal. For spreadsheets or presentations, Office Online could be your go-to. As you make your edits, one of the great conveniences of Dropbox is that all changes sync automatically. This means everyone who has access to the document will see the updates in real time. You don't need to worry about saving changes repeatedly or notifying collaborators because Dropbox handles all that in the background. It's a useful feature that keeps everyone on the same page and minimizes confusion. And there you have it. Editing shared documents in Dropbox is not just easy, but also efficient. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your collaboration goes smoothly and your documents stay up to date. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Happy Ki.